Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the light here. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rank one on Google using just free tools. So guys, if you are a beginner trying to grow your blog, your business, or your YouTube channel, this video is for you. And guys, please don't skip this video. Let's get into it. First off, we have the keyword research. This is how you find out what people are searching for on Google. So we don't want to guess. We want to create content that people are actively looking for. So using the KW Finder is a free and beginner friendly SEO tool. So let's say I want to create a content about dropshipping. I'm going to type how to start dropshipping in 2025. Let's go. Whoa, okay. You can see here, we see the search volume, which is how many people search for this every month, and the keyword difficulty, which is how hard it is to rank. And guys, this is really hard. This particular is really hard. How to search, how to start dropshipping in 2025. We're saying about 74%, which is very hard to rank. You see, if you look here, we have other keywords like how to dropship products, dropshipping online, online shipping business, how to dropshipping guide. These are all called long tail keywords. They are more specific, easier to rank, and that's exactly what we need as a beginner. So as a pro, you need to choose keywords with medium high search volume, low SEO difficulty. If you come here, we have what to dropship, and if you check, the keyword difficulty is about 23. So if you should make use of this content, it's going to really rank. So guys, when you're done with your keyword research, we are going to write our content using Google Docs. So I'm working on a blog post titled How to Start Dropshipping in 2025, a Beginner's Guide. So here's how to structure your post. First off, start with a strong introduction that includes your main keywords in the first 100 words. As you can see mine, guys, this is it. Now after that, use H2 subheading, which is header to subheading, with secondary keywords, and this help Google understand your content layout. Like you can see mine, this is it. Yeah, that's it. Now when you're done with this, you're going to add frequently asked questions. So guys, you're going to grab like 3 to 5 from Google's people also ask questions. Let's go. So people also ask, is dropshipping still profitable in 2025? How much money do I need to start dropshipping? Do I need a business license to start dropshipping? So these are all frequently asked questions, and you're going to end it with a clear call to action, like asking readers to comment or download a freebie or watch your YouTube channel, whatever. So this is my call to action. So guys, before we continue, here is a bonus tips on on-page SEO. If you're making use of WordPress, you have to install a free SEO plugin like Rankmark or Yoast SEO. So I am using Rankmark SEO, and these tools guide you through optimizing your page, like making sure your keywords is in the title and meta description, your URL is clean, images have proper alt tags, and headings are structured correctly. So this is what we call on-page SEO, and it's super beginner friendly. Maybe on my next video I'm going to show you how to install this plugin. Now let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks are when other websites link to your site, and this tells Google that your content is trustworthy. The easiest way to start for free is using source button, which you can see on my screen. And here's how it works. You're going to go to sourcebottle.com, sign up as a source, and you're going to get 3 emails every weekday full of questions from real journalists looking for quotes. Right now, you see categories like business, environment, general, health, well-being. Now you have to respond to tips on your niche. So let's say I go to here. Let me click here and see. Now I'm going to look for questions that matches my topic or that matches my niche actually. So let's scroll. Yes, this is actually a topic I can answer. So you just have to click. Now when you click in it, respond with a helpful answer, right? SEO expert on people's first content. So you can respond with a helpful answer, include your name and email. So when you're done doing this, if the journalist uses your quote, you'll be featured on sites like Forbes, HubSpot, Business Insider, and you get a free backlink. So you can also do cold outreach. You can go to a blog in your niche, open their contents page, and if they don't list their emails, you can use Hunter.io to find it. So guys, when you're done with all these, and once your content is being published, you want to see how it performs, right? So now you have to go to Google Search Console. It's free and it shows which keywords are bringing in traffic, how many clicks and impressions you're getting, and which pages are performing best. Is gold for SEO because now you can double down on what's working. So bonus tip, you have to track your keywords weekly to monitor the growth. That's all you need to know about ranking one on Google using absolutely free tools. First off, we did our keyword research. Secondly, we wrote our SEO content. Thirdly, we built backlinks. Lastly, we tracked everything. So guys, if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your niche or blog idea. And I also love to check it out. And guys, if you want more of SEO tips, digital marketing tutorials, or ways to grow online, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next one. See you soon.